Welcome, your host, and I'm here to today's edition of Google Admob Earning. I'm sure you might have gone through my video. So if you're actually new to my channel, I will advise you subscribe to my channel. You hit the subscribe button so as to get future Google Admob updates and also earning related updates. Okay, so as a matter of fact, I dropped a trick on how to actually self-click without Google tracking your activities. But now I've actually come with a new and improved way to self-click. A new and improved way to self-click. I'm sure you would like this after going through this video. So I crave your indulgence to watch this video all the way to the end if you actually want to know how to put this new trick into play. It's simple and steady if you can be able to follow due process. So I know many of you might be having ups and downs when it comes to accumulating earning in Admob. So it's because you haven't been following due process, as actually outlined in my other video. You can look up to that video on YouTube. Yeah, just make a search that new Admob trick, Rafael Tomi, and then you watch through to see how that video works. It still works anyway, but I just want to like give an update to that very video I made. Okay, so ensure to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel, because I'll be releasing new updates, like new and very much interesting updates. So I don't want to talk too much. This isn't what I'm here for. So let's get down to business. So Admob new trick. Putting Admob new trick into play. I'm going to be showing you now. So let's get started. Yeah. So if you don't kind of follow the process, you get banned so easily, and then it breaks your heart like other course. You don't want to do things you've accumulated up to a large amount of money, and at the end of the day your account go banned. You would be heartbroken. Like, wow, like why me? So I'm here to put an end to that. I am here to actually put an end to that. I know it will stop for very good, and you will start smiling once again. Okay, so I crave your indulgence once again. Do well to watch this video all the way to the end if you actually want to know how to put this new trick into play and also avoid initial Google Admob ban. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get into the video now. So let's locate our settings. Here we are going to be resetting our first. We're going to be resetting a Google ID, Google advertising ID. So this Google advertising ID of itself works hand in hand with Admob. Android as a device is owned by Google, so Google can easily track any activities you are running on your device. So therefore, if you really don't want Google to do this, to kind of run some checkup on your Android phone, there are some steps you need to take. So resetting of IDs is actually one of them. It's one of the most vital parts to follow, one of the most vital steps to take. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to reset your ID. So let's locate user account. Okay, click on user account. Okay, this isn't it. Google service, yeah, Google service, Google. You click on your Google. You look at your settings. Click on Google. It's loading. Okay, here it is. So here it is. So you look up for you look for what? Okay, look at the ads here. You click on add. This ad, you click on add. This has taken us to this place. So it has taken us to this place. This is what this is your current advertising ID, your current Google advertising ID. So if you want to just set it, you so sorry about that. So you click on this. Sorry, you click on this. So that's it. You click on that. Click on reset advertising ID. You see? So it will bring a command response. This will replace your ID with a new random number. You seen it? So you click on it. See, it's automatically reset. This wasn't the ID we were having on our phone before. This wasn't our ID before. So when you constantly do this, you find out that Google won't be able to like look for ways to track your account. It's actually one of them. You have to put this into play. Do it constantly. When you're done self clicking, when you're done making a self click, you clear every of the browser's information, the cake, the cookies, the history, the browsing history. You clear everything. So I'm really going to be showing you another browser we'll be making use of. So it's called an Incognito browser. So let's leave this place. I think I've explained to you how you can actually achieve this step. Resetting IDs after every click. Okay, so move. So let's now locate our Incognito browser. So this is our Incognito browser. Our Incognito browser. Sorry. So it's just a more simple browser. What this Incognito browser has is that it's very special in its own way. When you finish running your activities, your clicking activities, your ad clicking activities on this app, you leave the app immediately. All your data, cookies, website history, your browsing history, everything will be removed automatically. So it has this artificial intelligence that does that. So it's more or less an improvement to Firefox. I'm not saying you shouldn't be making use of Firefox anyway. It has absolutely one of the best features as well. But Incognito browser, on the other hand, has the best, and I mean the best. So you just have to make use of Incognito browser. Okay, so click this is it. I'm just showing you the app, so you can look up this. Just make a search regarding this. Just click on Incognito browser, and it pops up on your Play Store. You download it. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to be making a click as regarding that. So let's leave this place. This step number 2. So step number 1 is setting IDs. Step number 2, downloading your application. Your browser application. Then step number 3. Step number 3. You create. No, sorry. You go to your Play Store again. You download 4 VPNs. 4 VPN. 4 very good VPNs. Free VPNs. And not all of us can be able to afford premium VPNs. That's why I want you all to As for those of you that can actually afford premium VPN, you can go for NordVPN. You can go for it. So it's the best for premium. But for those that can't actually make up for money or doesn't actually have enough fund to purchase premium premium subscription, so there are alternatives to that. So that's why, as for those of you that can't do that, you will have to download these 4 applications. So I'll be mentioning them now. VPNify, that's number 1, and Turbo VPN number 2, and Touch VPN number 3, and Windscribe VPN. I come again. VPNify VPN, Turbo VPN, Touch VPN, and Windscribe VPN. You download these 4 VPN. I have them already installed on my phone, so I'll be using it as an explanation, as an explainer anyway, so you can really know how to put these tricks. I've been telling you, you can know how to put this trick into play. Okay, so we'll be needing the 4 VPNs to achieve our aim. Okay, so make sure to download every of the VPNs I just listed. Okay, so start step number 3. I think we've gotten everything we need. So let's now get down to business. Okay, I haven't set my browser at my default browser at Ignoto. It's presently set at Google Chrome. So whenever I click on link, it takes me through to Google. I didn't want. It's not as if I can't change it before making this video. I just wanted to leave it like that, so I can actually show you how to do that. There are so many people that doesn't know how to do that as well. So that's why I left it that way. So I'll be doing it now. So let's look at our settings. Look at our settings. So we look at our settings. So after looking at your settings, then you look at app and notifications. Then you look for this default app. This is its default app. Default app. You look at the default app. You click on it. Click on it. Okay. There are so many default apps here. So we just need a browser app. So browser app. Okay, it's actually I haven't set it at any browser anyway. So let's these are all the browser I have installed on my phone. So we need Ignoto browser for the purpose of this video. So I'll be enabling Ignoto browser. I'll be enabling it. Okay. So I've enabled it. So any link I click on will be any link that's been sent to me. If I click on any link that's been sent to me, it takes me through all the way to Ignoto browser. So whenever you click on ads, that's been said anyway. Whenever you click on ads that pops up on your app, so it takes you through to Ignoto browser. So set our default browser at Ignoto browser to Ignoto browser. Okay. So I think we've gotten all what we need. So let's put a trick into play. Okay. So let's make use of VPNify first. Let's make use of VPNify first. VPNify is one of the best free VPN app. Yeah. So you have many options to choose from. They are absolutely free. From Australia down to USA, you choose in between. You make you choose as to which country you want to make use of. So there are some countries that pay a high amount of money anyway. So countries like USA, countries like Austria, Australia, Canada, UK, Netherlands, Italy. Yeah, I think, and the rest of them also, Singapore, Hong Kong, and many more of them. So for the purpose of this video, let me be making use of USA because it's still the highest. It's still the country that pays one of the highest that pays highest per click. So it pays, I think, between $0.5 to $1.5 per click. Let me enable my USA VPN. So tap to connect. It's connecting. Just go back. We don't need it. That's not the ad we're clicking on. It's just the app that pops ads that pops up on this app. Okay, we're not needing it. So it's connecting. So let's just wait for it to connect a little bit. I'm having network failure. Very sorry about that. So sorry about that. Still connecting. So we're still connecting. Oh, I'm having network failure. Sorry. Oh, so it has connected already. Sorry for the delay this might have caused. I'm very sorry. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back. So you let's locate our Ignito browser. Our Ignito browser. Still loading it. Okay. So Ignito browser as well have other add-ons, features like just like Firefox. Okay, so you can switch in between browsers in Ignito as well. So when you're making clicks with different browsers, Google won't be able to track your activities at all. At all, you shouldn't be expecting that. Google won't be able to track it at all. It's only when you make use of just one particular browser. And when you're self-clicking, you don't make use of Chrome. Chrome is a Google-owned application, so you don't make use of Chrome at all. It's out of it. Don't do it. Don't at all. Don't do it. So you click on your settings. Click on your settings. Settings. Okay. Okay. And then you look at click on your user agent. Sorry. Click on your user agent. User agent. Okay. So you can see we have different browsers here. You have different browsers here. So in this case anyway, since we are clicking from Ignito browser, you can click with Chrome. Okay, you can click with Chrome. So you are clicking from Ignito browser and not with Chrome. Although it might be showing you are clicking from Chrome, but not with Chrome. But you don't have to be clicking with the original Chrome app. That's what you should not do. That's what you should avoid doing. Don't try it. It will burn you big time. So don't do it. So let's take for an instance. I want to click with Safari. I click on Safari. So there is a way to know if you're actually clicking from the mobile is Safari. So that way I'm going to show you. So click on your entire URL. Search anything here. You click on your. Let's search for wow.net. Okay. So with this, you can be able to know if you're actually clicking from the user agent you're using. Let's see if it's actually corresponding. Okay, you can see for yourself mobile Safari. I clicked on mobile Safari, and wow.net gives me mobile Safari, meaning what we actually chose was correct. So why am I doing this? For you to know that you have to put all these stuffs into play constantly when you are making different clicks to avoid Google ban. Google are not smiling as for now. So there are ways to actually bypass those tracking device. So which I've been explaining from the very first seconds of the video to this very time. So I want you now to put this video into play. But I'll be stopping here so that I really don't want the video to be more long and boring for you. I'm going to be making another video in no due time. So as for you watching this video, if you not subscribe, please I want you to do it now. Click the subscribe button. Not only subscribe, make sure to turn on the bell button so that you'll be notified when my new update comes up. If you don't want to miss out on it, if you don't want to get banned by Google, do the necessary. And what's the necessary? Subscribe to my channel and turn up the notification button. Do well to also share my video, like, and make a comment. It's actually go a long way in making my video, my channel and my video go more viral. Okay. So I remain your host, Raphael Tomi. Till I come your way next time. Okay. Over and out.